going on? It's Jacqueline here from Nothing But Tech. Welcome back to another video. I have a really hype product in front of me. This is the PS4 Pro, but it's special. And it's special because it's custom painted by Colorware, who have done nothing but support the channel. They sent us out custom AirPods, skins, now this. So this is gonna be a piece in the studio, which is starting to really come together, so expect a tour really soon. And the color scheme is a little bit different than the studio, and that's for a color project that I'm going to be working on soon, so stay tuned for that. But if you don't know who Colorware is, they custom paint a bunch of different tech products. So I emailed them and I said, hey, this is a project. Do you want to do it? They said yes. So it's in front of us. I'm going to open it. The box is really big, so it might cover me momentarily throughout some parts of this video, but bear with me. I'm excited. Really, really excited. All right, making the first cut up top. That feels good. Also, I don't do a ton of like gaming-based videos on the channel, but I want to kind of get more into that for you guys, so let me know if that would be something that you're interested in. But yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I feel like this is really going to help complete the media setup in here. By pulling it out, putting this box to the side. This is PS4 here. I love opening up new products. There's something about it. So it says the place to play. And then there's some codes and stuff on here for some free games. Do you want to hand me that? Yeah. Thank you. All right, a quick start guide. I actually might be needing this time. And then I'm really excited to see what's inside here. So putting it like this. All right, so some cables, more cables, and then the actual device, which I cannot wait to see. So pulling it that there. All right, you guys ready for the big reveal? Oh, I'm so hyped. They also can paint this in a bunch of different colors, but let's see. How good does that look? Oh my gosh. All right, so in terms of the specifications here, I went with like matte on all the paint, and I went with like this cranberry red color here, this gray in the middle and black on the bottom, and it looks amazing, to be honest. Wow, so the paint is so precise around the logo. It's really, really precise, and I'm not surprised because this is the value of work that they do, but oh, I'm impressed. They paint this in all three areas, and then they also painted the controller as well, so I'm gonna go take a look at that. I feel like the next thing Colorware and I have to work on is NBT House Pink console or something like that. But this looks really, really good. And again, color scheme stuff will be coming soon. But this is the controller as well. So this is red as well, and it's matte. And then we went with gray over here. And look at that. Come on, how good does this look? And everything, it feels good too. So it comes in matte. There's also a glossy option, but the precision everywhere is really, really impressive. And then it will just act like a normal console, but especially if you're into like color matching your setup and everything, this is like perfect. They also offer skins, which is a more budget-friendly option for some devices, but I think the precision that you get here makes it all worthwhile. So I'm gonna leave a link to Colorware below. They did not sponsor this video, but they did send this out. So you're gonna see this in the full studio tour. You might also see a couple other things in the full studio tour, but yeah. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more gaming console related content. This is just a quick one. I'm definitely going to cover the actual PS4 in the video, the PS4 Pro, and like this studio tour. But I'm really, really excited about this. I think it looks really good. Subscribe right here so you don't miss any other content, and check out my other content right here. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.